Uh, Hello and welcome back to Destiny Knight's channel. Today I'll be showing you how to set up a lugor mod server for those who have been requesting it. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, you're going to need the files. Like I have right here. You got lugor mod, you got the box config, and HTTP.jkb. So the main thing we're going to be working with is right here. We need to edit this, the server config. And I'm just going to name my lugor test for the tutorial as a message of the day. This one is for when you're entering the game, so let's see if this works, and we'll just name it that. This is where you can change how long it displays, so we'll go about 15 seconds. Alright, so this is any password you want. So for this tutorial, I will be using test pass. This one is if you want a private server, basically, where no one can join unless they have a password. Right here, it's pretty obvious like how many people can join before it's cut off, and this one is basically where the people who it's set for can join no matter what. So just keep in mind I don't really use lugor mod that much, so I will do my best to show you guys how to set it up. As far as I know, everything should be the same as J+ and normal servers. Just different commands, different abilities, stuff like that. But there's some map configuration. I'll show you where to get a lugor mod file. So you type in lugor mod server download. You can get it from here, lugor mod JK hub. And if it loads, so you just download this. And whatever version you're on, I'm on Windows, obviously. So I would download the Windows version. And you got many different forms that could help you out. Alright, first step down the files, the server config. Alright, so after that's all said and done, you save it. And then you can look at this one, the command levels, drawing admins, all that fun stuff. I'm not going to change anything. Alright, so after that, you go to your router. And once you get to the router, you go to wherever you port forward at. Net and gaming for me. Enter your access code, or for whatever router you have, if you have an access code. And then what you do is find JK, the port, which is 29070. You add it. And once it's added, you can change out of this. Make sure it shows up. And for those of you wondering why it says this for the name, I'm on my mom's computer, so that's good. Now we go to, where is it? One of these, start dedicated.bat or start line game. So we will use start dedicated. And this will come up. If you get this, that means it's working. So just allow access. If you don't, no one else can join. Make sure you allow access to it. So looks like it worked. So what you can tell is minimize. Go to, what's my IP? And mine will say this, but if you go to what'smyip.org, notice it's different. Because the other is a MAC address. This one is the IPv4 for your external. I believe that's what it's called. This is your computer, your network computer address or whatever it's called. So that's what you need. Then you go to wherever you have the thing. So for me, it's right here. I need to click that. Alright, now that it's up, I need to go here. This one, the wrong one. This one, program files. I use Ultra Utility. And I will launch my Ultra Utility. And yeah, I know there's a lot of icons. Like I said, my mom's computer. Only a few of these icons are mine. And you go to here, you find your server. See, it says it's up. And my server doesn't really like to be online, so that's how you know it worked. Now, if I do, no, it's just the IP I used, but you know it's up. Now, if you do lugor test, you can also do this if you don't want anyone else connecting and you just want to like play by yourself and whatnot. Use this IP right here. Add. See, it says it's up. Now I can launch. And this will show you that it actually works. If it actually records it, so I don't know if it will. And if it doesn't, I do apologize. I will put screenshots of it working if it doesn't. But that's only if it doesn't work, so. So see how it says I'm winning game state. It's showing it works. So like I said, in order to do all this, you basically do the same thing you would with J Plus or any other server. You just port forward. Well, first you get the files, then you port forward. You set them up, launch it. Well, not in that exact order. But after you get the files and set them up, you launch the server. And see. /exe find. Okay, I can't do that. Yeah, see, it says my video right there. So, that shows that it worked. Where's my skin? For those who are wondering why I have a bunch of chaos skin packs, because I am obviously AKR. Yes, I am one and only Death Scythe. I'd rather have my saber hilt. I can't have it, so I'll go with that one right there. Yeah. Alright, so let me see how that works. I don't know if I'm transfer mod really. But I can figure it all out here. So notice how I'm actually able to connect and do all this stuff. Slash. What I need to do. There's my insert key. There it is. Alright, so slash death. Alright, so now that works, I'll show you some more of the setting up of the server. That'll just prove that it actually works. So you can see, this all works. This means it's working. That's what you need. Don't click exit, just do stop. I don't know why it's not stopping. Server, stop. Yes, I don't know if something's gonna do quit, even though you're not supposed to really. It really depends on which one you use, honestly. So, alright. I don't really know the config for this one, really, so. Let's see, set max ping, server cheats. You can activate cheats on your server if you wanted to. MPC, I'll put that 1 so it allows it. I really don't know much about lugor mod, but like I said, it's a lot like JK. Like, I mean, not JK, J plus. So that's always good. You can make the bots talk with lugor mod apparently. You can auto ban the same IP, which is nice. Max same IP 3. So like if you have one person who gets on 3 times 31 computers, who gets on again, it'll ban it if you have this enabled, I think. Admin login level 1. So I'll save that again. Come over here. Not quite sure what these are. I think these are like the logins. I'm not entirely sure. So we will go to base and set up the NPCs now. The bots. Edit. So we'll change this guy's name to. Actually, no, we really can't do that. Yeah, if we can change his model so it doesn't look like a Java, so I think I'll change him to Kyle. I'm not sure if that's actually how that works. So that's all set up. You can add more bot files if you wanted to. So right now I will launch it as a LAN. Show you how that works. Same thing, except for no one can connect but you. So it's just the same crap. I know it's not really that great of a tutorial and all, but that's because it's really similar to how you do it with JKA. Same ports and everything. You just have a different console, or different config. And you have different things you do. The next tutorial that I will be doing is probably a tutorial for movie battles, because I have had some requests for those, but haven't gotten around to doing it. Because, well, I've been super busy. That's also why I haven't really been doing many videos. I do apologize for that, guys. Alright, there you guys go. So, sound disconnected. Localhost, so it's a bot. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, leave a like, sub if you want. I'm not gonna say you have to, but I would appreciate it if you did, so I could get more feedback and everything. Anyways, I'll leave the steps, links, stuff you need in the description. Hope you enjoyed, and as I said, if you did, like and subscribe. This is Death Knight signing out. Thank you for watching. Bye.